Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Pokemon Eldegoss. So let's jump right in with the Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this Pokemon, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes, and we're going to draw in the bottom portion of his eye first. So we're just going to draw a slight curve. And then once we have this, we're going to go up. So from the corner here, just go up, and then just come back down. So go up, come back down here. So there's a slight turn there, but we'll try to keep everything smooth. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in the eyeball inside. So I'm just going to draw a circle right in here. Okay, so then now we can draw in the rest of the face. So the rest of the face is pretty easy. We're just going to come right in the middle here. Just draw like a big V shape. And then from the corner up here, just kind of come down with a curve. So it's almost like a little M shape here. Okay, and then once we have that, come down to the middle here. Just gonna draw one curve, just connect that. Just kind of go out. Okay, so that's gonna be the shape of the face. And then let's finish up the mouth in here. So this one's easy. I'm just gonna draw a little V shape. And then for the details above the eye right here, just draw a little angle like this. Alright, so now let's finish up the rest of the body, and it's really simple. So we're gonna continue with this curve here. We're gonna go out a little bit more. And then we're gonna come back down. Okay, and then come to the middle of this. You can make a little mark. I'm just gonna draw like two little leaf shapes. Okay, and then from here we're gonna go down. And then we'll come back up right behind these two shapes. Then for his tentacles or his legs, start on the side here. Just come out. So don't start over here, just come in slightly. Okay, just curve it out. And then we're gonna go back to the middle again. And we're gonna draw just one big shape like this first. And then once you have this shape, we're just gonna come back in. So from this corner, just curve it right behind that. Alright, and then to finish this area up, from this corner, just kind of tuck that line right behind this shape. So it looks like it's going around. Alright, and then let's go ahead and finish up the top, and we're actually almost done with this thing. So start in the middle, we just go up. And then from this point here, draw big curves going out and going up. And then from this point here, we're gonna come back down right around here. Okay, so curve it. And then we're gonna draw one more. We're gonna go out again. And then we're just gonna come back in, part behind this thing here. Just come all the way down. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and then now it's got this big circle around him, and this part is probably the trickiest part. So I'm going to start right here on the side. Just going to curve it around and come into the neck area right here. So we're starting here on the bottom. Just kind of make the bottom of the circle first. And then once you have that, I'm going to continue on and just make this huge circle. And then inside the circle we have these little dots. Just draw these little, I guess looks like little leaf shapes or eye shapes. And it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these dots everywhere. Okay, and then if you want to add in a little bit more detail on the inside to make this thing look a little fluffier, you can add in these lines like this, these little curves. Just gonna draw 4, look like it's going around. And that is it for this Pokemon. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.